Jonathan here with Darrow Kia Madison. Today I wanted to talk about one of my favorite new 2022 models we have in the lot. I'm standing here in front of a couple beautiful Nightfall Sportages 2022 models, and you might be familiar with the Nightfall as a package available on high-end trims of the Telluride, and now it's a whole trim in itself for the Sportage. And what you get is really cool. So similar to the Telluride, you have exclusive dark finished alloy rims, black chrome surrounds for your windows, and black chrome roof rails as well. Very mean look. And you've also got this exclusive black badging in the back. The black on black looks great. It looks great in really every color I've seen it come in. And these still have some good rebates, and being that it's a whole trim, you get some additional stuff with this package. So this will have a panoramic sunroof, heated front seats, synthetic leather interior, and a D-shaped steering wheel I'll show you with paddle shifters. Very cool look to this interior, power driver seat. And the Sportage still has some fantastic rebates going on right now. So if you're interested in one of these, just call or stop by today. We'll be happy to show you all the options.